Welcome to Wonderful Home Design. In this video, we show the beauty of epoxy resin table. Incorporating an epoxy resin table into the living room can dramatically enhance the space's aesthetic and functionality, creating a stylish and inviting atmosphere. These tables can serve as coffee tables, side tables, or even statement dining tables, drawing attention with their unique designs and captivating color contrasts. The reflective surface of the epoxy resin can complement various decor styles, from contemporary to industrial, while the natural wood elements add warmth and organic charm. Placing an epoxy resin table in the living room encourages a cozy gathering space for friends and family, making it ideal for casual conversations, game nights, or enjoying a cup of coffee. Additionally, their durability and ease of maintenance make them practical choices for high-traffic areas, effortlessly blending beauty with utility. Epoxy resin tables have gained popularity for their striking aesthetics and versatility, serving as stunning focal points in modern interior design. Often handcrafted by pouring colorful, durable epoxy resin into or over wooden slabs, these tables showcase unique patterns and effects that resemble natural elements such as flowing water or geological formations. The combination of resin and wood not only enhances the visual appeal, but also offers a high level of durability and resistance to scratches, making them ideal for everyday use. Each epoxy resin table is a work of art, as the interplay between the resin and the wood grain creates a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects the artisan's creativity. Available in various styles and sizes, these tables can fit seamlessly into any setting, from chic dining rooms to contemporary workspaces, elevating the ambience while celebrating the beauty of both nature and craftsmanship. The process of creating an epoxy resin table involves skill and artistry. As artisans carefully select and prepare the wood, ensuring it is both visually appealing and structurally sound. Typically, live-edge wood slabs are favored for their organic shapes and unique grain patterns, which add character to the finished piece. Once the wood is prepared, the resin is mixed and poured, often tinted with vibrant pigments or infused with elements like metallic powders, stones, or dried flowers, allowing for infinite design possibilities. After curing, the table is polished to achieve a glossy, crystal-clear finish that accentuates the depth and intricacies of the resin. Besides their aesthetic allure, epoxy resin tables are also easy to maintain. They are resistant to water and stains, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings.